Hello everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing well. If you're trying to improve your American English pronunciation, then one of the best things that you can do is to practice the pronunciation of very frequently used verbs in the language. So this verb is the verb to cook. So let's go ahead and look at the different forms in the present tense. Cook, cook. Pay attention to the vowel sound. Cook. Cook. I cook. You cook. He cooks. She cooks. We cook. You cook. They cook. Some vocabulary that we commonly use with cook is breakfast, breakfast. Lunch, lunch, dinner, dinner. So let's practice some complete sentences. I cook breakfast. I cook breakfast. I cook lunch. I cook lunch. I cook dinner. I cook dinner. You cook. You cook breakfast. You cook breakfast. You cook lunch. You cook lunch. You cook dinner. You cook dinner. He cooks. He cooks breakfast. He cooks breakfast. He cooks lunch. He cooks lunch. He cooks dinner. He cooks dinner. She cooks. She cooks breakfast. She cooks lunch. She cooks lunch. She cooks dinner. She cooks dinner. We cook. We cook breakfast. We cook breakfast. We cook lunch. We cook lunch. We cook dinner. We cook dinner. They cook. They cook breakfast. They cook breakfast. They cook lunch. They cook lunch. They cook dinner. They cook dinner. So let's quickly review. I cook. I cook. You cook. You cook. He cooks. He cooks. She cooks. She cooks. We cook. We cook. You cook. You cook. They cook. They cook. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. So let's end this lesson with some commonly used questions or statements with the verb cook. The first one is, do you cook? Do you cook? Do you cook? Do you know how to cook? Do you know how to cook? Do you know how to cook? Do you like to cook? Do you like to cook? Do you like to cook? I cook every day. I cook every day. I cook every day. I always cook dinner. I always cook dinner. I always cook dinner. I like to cook. I like to cook. I like to cook. I don't like to cook. I don't like to cook. I don't like to cook. Alright, well that's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, the most important thing that you can do to improve your pronunciation is to practice as much as possible. Listen and repeat as much as possible. If you have a recording like this in another device, you might try listening and repeating, and while you do that on your other device, record your session and then play it back to see how you sound compared to the native speaker. The more you practice, the better. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To continue learning and go to another lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon.